Hello my dear friends, welcome to my channel Artful Craftenia. Here I am come with my first video, that is a candle holder. Take any air dry clay, roll it with a rolling pin or with the help of any rolling thing you have in your home. Roll the clay properly. Take little bit thin layer. Take any leaf, any green leaf. As shown, apply the talcum powder. Then place it over the rolled clay. Press with the help of a rolling pin. Then cut the edges, extra edges with the help of the cutter or a knife, anything you have in your home. Be little bit careful during this process. Secure the edges properly, make it smoother. Then take over the leaf. See, impressions are printed over the leaf. I am putting it over the bowl for drying. After drying, it looked like this. Then I applied the acrylic color green. Second coat I am doing. After drying, I am taking a bit of golden color with my finger. With the help of my finger, I am applying to create a goldenish texture over it. See, it looks so beautiful, and our leaf candle holder is ready. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you like my video, like the video, share with your family and friends. Press the bell icons for more updates. Till then, bye bye.